Each session takes about 20 minutes to harvest your blood, spin it down, get the platelet-rich plasma, and then maybe 10 or 15 minutes to inject it, and then you're on your way home. I don't think that you should go to the gym afterwards per se, but generally speaking, you can go about your business and wash your hair with warm water that night. You shouldn't be on aspirin beforehand because we don't want little holes bleeding. But other than that, it's very well tolerated.
Yeah, what it does for you. So after the injection, it probably takes about 2 to 3 months before you really start seeing significant hair growth. Both my barber and Dr. Wilk's barber have noticed probably about 30% new hair growth.
I knew it was growing when a little girl that I know said to me, "Didn't you used to be bald?" Then I knew that it was working. Come to Restore Anti-Aging by doctors here in Torrance, California.